Hey guys, it's Twilight, and today we're going to be unboxing an Xbox One S Digital Edition. What this Xbox One S is, you might ask, this is all digital. Oh, so that means you don't have to add any disk drives or nothing. You just got to download the games. And plus, Amazon on gigs. We bought this from Amazon for only 800 dirhams. Well, enough tick-tack. Let's start opening. Ooh, this is gonna be so... Don't use scissors at home without parents' permission. Woof! From the other side. Oh my god! And don't mind the new hair. I just got a haircut. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ah! This box won't open. Here it is. Ooh, heavy. Let's put this aside. Check this. Oops. Ooh, looks like we found a... Ooh, let's put this in here. Okay, so now we are going to be opening this. This Xbox One S, it comes with an extra controller. Which one should we open first? Let's open this. This one actually comes with games in it. It comes with Minecraft, Sea of Thieves, and Forza Horizon 3. So, let's open it. Oh my god. Oof. Just for this part, I'm going to need scissors. Okay, now let's just move this aside. Oh my god. I'm going to be really careful. Okay. I don't know where I'm going to start from opening this one. Let's see right here. Ah, got it. I think it's from here. Yep, it's definitely from here. Oh, God. Circular tape. Where did that come from? Ooh. Sorry, I'm having lots and lots of trouble opening this. This is my first Xbox, so don't judge me. Okay. Oh my god, why doesn't this open? Okay, so now that we've got this opened, this has an Xbox One S manual just to, how to plug it in, then how to put the batteries in of the controller. We'll be going to that later. So first, I want to open this one. Let's put the Xbox aside for a second. Woof! Oh my god. And let's open this. Here is this cable. I don't know what this is for, but I'm going to find out from the manual. And this beautiful new controller. Let's open it. I'm not going to be just ripping it open now. I've been wanting... This is the first controller I had. Ooh, looks like there's something else in it, but we'll get to that later. Whoa, this looks so cool. But, of course, there is no batteries right now. We need to put those in. AA batteries. I don't know if they still use these. I mean, it's 2019, guys. Well, oh, and another cable. Next up, if you want, you can also use this one for 2 people. So let's get opening it. Oh my god. Where do I open this from? So this is an HDMI cable and this is the power cable. So as you see, this Xbox One S controller is just for extra. So now that we have got the controller, we're gonna move this aside and get to the real deal, the actual Xbox. Oh my god. I'm gonna hold it like this. And I've got it. I am really scared. I'm gonna put this in my lap. Ooh, phone. I am so excited. I don't know which way this goes. I think it goes this way because I see black from the bottom. Okay, let me just quickly get this side open. I don't think we're gonna need this wrapping, so I'm just gonna throw that. Forget it. Oh my god, I never knew that these Xboxes had such tough things to open it with. Got it. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you the amazing Xbox One. So this is the front. It says right here Xbox, and right here are the parts. This is, I think, where the power cable goes. This is home out, HDMI out to TV, and all of these other ones. So I'm really excited to get started, and that's what an Xbox One S is. Bye! Make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment which one was your favorite part of this Xbox. Bye!